Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those that are new, hi, my name is Janet Amabinet. Thank you so much for clicking onto my video. So I thought I'd show you guys what I got at Dollar Tree. I just got a couple stuff, for the home, some stuff for the kids, and some stuff to start making my husband's Valentine's Day box. Because I did find a cute little pin on Pinterest for kind of like a blue box themed. It said like something along the lines of something out of the blue because I love you or something like that. And I thought I'd scavenger and look around if I could find anything that's useful in blue. And I found some twin double blades. He's always stealing mine, so these come with 10. So baby, if you're watching this video, you better stop and just wait and watch it until after like Valentine's Day, because he'll be spoiling, like I'll be trying making like cute stuff and kind of like be cute and do cute stuff for him, but then like he'll always walk in or he'll find it or stuff like that. So babe, don't look at my video until it's like past Valentine's Day, okay? All right, love you. But yeah, I got him some twin blades. They come with 10, so he can stop using mine and stealing mine. I got him some of these because they're blue. I got him a blue boxed eye drops because his eyes will be getting irritated or allergies or getting dry because he is a contractor. He is around a lot of dirt and pollen and flowers and plants like that. So just so he can have around in his truck. I also got him some blue air fresheners. It smells so good. He loves like all type of like dark and blue colognes. I think for his birthday I got him a Giorgio Armani Code. I think that one was black. This is what it kind of smells like, this a little bit, but it smells so good. Just like a manly like blue smell. I also got him these 2 roller ball pens, yeah. Just because he's a contractor and he can keep these in his truck. That way he's not always picking at my desk and stealing my pens. So I got him that. I also got this bag, which is really, really cute and adorable. I love the font, the glitter, but girl, I'm not shopping for myself. I'm shopping for my husband. So I'm probably going to go return this. But this one's glitter side, and then this one's just the font in plain, like matte. But yeah, I'm probably going to go return this because I found a box that I can use for his thing. So I'll probably return these and try and find some either foil letters so I can like put them in the box for him or something like that. Okay, that's that bag. I got some Glad freezer bags. They come with 7 and they're 1 gallon for meal prepping, because girl, that will be your lifesaver if you're a mom, especially of 2 and they keep you busy. Just prep at night and pull it out in the morning and it's already like thawing throughout the day. So girl, get you some of these freezer bags and meal prep. I also got a mixing bowl. It doesn't say how much fits in here, but it does claim that it's heavier duty. By the feel of it, it doesn't feel like it'll be like maybe for a big cake or something like that, but maybe for like pancakes or omelets or something like small for mixing. I thought it'd be good to try out. Let's see. Oh, I also got this detangler. Yeah, detangler brush. I got a pink one. Girl, let me tell you, I need to go get some more of these because I just brushed it this one time. I have been trying to update my hair routine because not that it'll be like breaking or anything, but it's so humid in Houston that it'll always look frizzy. But I brushed my hair with this just today and it looks so shiny and soft, like smooth. Okay, sorry. He was watching Scooby-Doo and there was a ghost scene and he called me to go look at it. Anyways, where was I at? But yeah, I want to go out and go buy some, like maybe 2 more, because like I said, it did already work the bristles, but I just want to get some just in case they don't carry them again or they're out of stock or whatever. I'm gonna go back for 2 more. And then I passed by the stationery when I was looking for pens. I had to contain myself because I do try and teach my kids here at like kind of like homeschool them. Some Crayola Fresh cards. These are same and different. They come with like a little card to tell you how to use them, and there's like different activities that you can do, so I always appreciate that. You just kind of point out what's different and what's the same in the card. It's pretty simple. This one is Mickey Mouse themed colors and shapes. My kids love Mickey Mouse, so I thought I'd give that a try. I also got them 2 morning starters, and it's pre-K level. Obviously, I'm not expecting them to be like super Einsteins and like baby geniuses. I mean, if they do, like, thank you, God, for giving me smart kids. But, you know, I can help them fill out, you know, some stuff. Like, that way we learn little by little how they pronounce their name, maybe the letters that are in their names and stuff like that. I'm just going to close the video right here. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment down below. Let me know if you guys want to see how I do my husband's out of the blue box, because I'm thinking about, you know, making it bomb. But yeah, let me know if y'all want to see that video, or like snack ideas for your kids for Valentine's Day or stuff like that. Yeah, just let me know down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you get notifications when I upload videos.